Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm going to teach you how to install MediaBox on your iOS devices without the use of a computer. So MediaBox is an app that allows you to watch movies and TV shows without actually paying for anything. So it's just like Netflix but a little better because it's free, and there are some shows and movies on MediaBox that are not on Netflix. So to do this, you'll just have to go on this website. So MediaBoxHD.net. I'm going to leave the link on the description below so you can go directly on this window right here. So when you get here, you'll just have to press download and then just choose either of the two, download link 1 or download link 2. So I'm going to press download link 2 just because I want to, and just hit install. So it may seem like nothing's happening on your device, but actually it is downloading. Okay, so you just have to wait for it to finish. The bad thing about MediaBox is that it stops working after a couple of days, maybe around 7 days or so. I'm not really sure. But in the event that this happens, what I do is I just go back to the website where I downloaded it, reinstall the app, then repeat the procedure that I'm going to teach you right now, then it's working again. So maybe you guys just can do the same. So yeah, so we're now done downloading the app. So if you press it, a prompt like this is going to pop up. So to resolve this problem, just go to settings, then go to general, then go to device management. Yeah, right there. So press that and you will see the developer who created MediaBox for iOS. Then just click that and click trust. After doing that, go back to the app, then press, and yeah, it's working. So you will see there are movies here, TV shows that you can watch for free. So yeah, see there. So let's try searching for a TV show. Let's try Kingdom. Okay, so just press that icon right there and just press play. If you want, you can enable autoplay when streaming is loaded, so it will start automatically. Then you're good. So that's it. I hope I was able to help you, and don't forget to click subscribe.